Let us now walk through and learn how to create forms, quizzes, and surveys the right way inside Go High Level. And let's get started with this. So, if you want to look for forms, you find it inside sites. So you basically find the sites, the forms, the quizzes, and the surveys all inside the tab called sites. Inside sites, you have the options for forms right here, surveys right here, and quizzes right here. Let's look at the form features that are there to have it all summarized. Transform website visitors into valuable leads. Easily build forms without drag and drop interface. Set up workflows to instantly engage users once they submit their forms and access real-time analytics to measure and improve your form's performance. Allow customers to make purchases directly through forms. Extensive elements, maths and scoring, conditional logics. You can also use templates, home healthcare registration, marketing agency request, family attorney request, life insurance contact form, and so much more. So this is how or what the forms give you. Now, if you click on the builder, you get the option to add a form. The form can be created using templates or from scratch. If I were to select one of the forms that's created, this is a very basic form. You have the full name, the phone, and the email. Now I can add multiple or different sections to it. The date of birth, a button, say if I want to sell products or if I just want to collect payment for a service that I delivered. The address field, the city, the country, the postal code, the website, boxes, single drop down, multi drop down, check boxes, radio boxes, some customized sections, a captcha, the source, the terms and conditions, the score, other elements like upload, monetary sections, numbers, date pickers, signatures, image. So you can also upload signatures from it. So these are, you can also create custom fields and you can use these. You can add conditional logics. You can add a new condition, redirect to URL, post submission, display a custom message. So messages based on user inputs, disqualify the leads, or show or hide fields, adjust fields visibility dramatically. So these are some of the conditional logics that you can add. So depending on the answer of the previous one, you can show or hide the next one. You can qualify or disqualify a lead. You can display a custom message based on the user's input and so on. So these are the different conditional things that you can do. And where do you find these? Is right here in the general settings. If I come here, let's say I add a multi drop down, and here it is. Now if I see here, you see the option of advanced settings and the other options, enable calculations. So all of this will lead to some conditional logics that you can add to your form. Now once your form is done and is ready to be submitted, you can add this form to your landing pages, and based on the form submissions you can run different triggers and different workflows accordingly. A very similar way, you can create surveys and quizzes. Let's click on surveys. That's the survey. You can add a survey from the templates, over 1,000+ templates that you can find here. So these are the different surveys that we can use inside our website. Similarly, we have the quizzes. I click on add a quiz and I can integrate the quiz once it's done inside our landing pages or funnels that we are doing. This is that. Drag and drop, edit a template. Let's say this is the template overall score. So you can build a quiz as well, exactly the way you see it. Okay. Add a question, single choice, multiple choice, a yes or a no, a short answer questions, and all the fields that you want to add over here to the quiz. Once done, it's very easy to embed them into your funnels. You click on funnels, select business services. Once you select the funnel that you want to add the form or the quiz to, you can simply add another section, add a section, add a row, add an element. Now, this could be a survey element. This could be a quiz that you have created. Let's say we want to add a survey. I select the survey, and I click on save. Now this survey gets added. Once you add the survey, you can add this to your workflow and automation accordingly. So that's all for adding a form, quiz, or a survey to your landing page using GoHighLevel. Should you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the Q&A section. And if you haven't yet signed up for the 30 days free trial and a live bootcamp, find the link in the resources section and I'll see you inside. So once you sign up, you also get access to the premium community and weekly live coaching calls. I'd love to be you to be there. Same.